See, there's 2 eggs of the pigeon. This is a pigeon egg, and the pigeon have been sitting on it for the last 48 hours non-stop. So now let's see whether the pigeon will go in again. Incredible motherly instinct of the bird. Okay, the bird will go, and this pigeon will sit on it continuously non-stop. This is the male. Just now the female has done its job. Now the male is doing the sitting now. Incredible. And this is in a pot of plant next to the balcony window of Ikatori Hotel, 20th floor. Well done.